Today we will discuss about move elements by dragging in Revit. First of all, I welcome all my friends on my educational channel. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest videos. Like and share also. Select to move a single unconnected object by dragging and then long press left mouse click and move element freely at any location and any direction in the drawing area. While moving the elements by dragging will not move freely by pressing the shift key. Instead, the object will move only according to the placement angle of elements. Multiple objects can also be selected and move freely in drawing area, and elements can also be moved according to object placement angle by pressing the shift key. If we use Ctrl key before dragging, the objects will copy to a new location. Selecting and dragging an element from the connected element will move and the element keeps connected to other objects as well. If you press the shift key before dragging the single connected element, the element will move in the other direction as well and its connectivity will be maintained along with it. So in today's topic, we have studied the move elements by dragging in Revit. I hope you understand it. Stay tuned for more educational videos. BIM Talks.